To add a PayPal button to Squarespace, start by opening a web browser and navigating to squarespace.com. Log into your account by clicking on the login prompt and entering your email and password. Once you've accessed your account, go to the account dashboard and select the website where you want to add the PayPal button. Before making any changes to the website, create a PayPal button by going to the PayPal website and logging into your existing account or creating a new one. Click on the PayPal button option and create a widget by choosing a template and clicking on the Choose button. Then click on the Publish button to generate a link. Next, return to Squarespace. Click on Edit and select the section where you want to add the PayPal button. Click on Add Block and choose the Embed option. Then click on Edit again and paste the PayPal link into the Embed field. This will add the PayPal button to your Squarespace website.